Hello, my name is Andy and I am the Village Idiot. Welcome back to my bedroom for another part 2 video. Today it's Hooton Levitt. I know this one has been a while in coming. I've been focusing more on getting out there and filming more things to put up for you. But now it's time to do a little bit of a catch up, so let's see what you wonderful people have sent me about this little place. Just before we get into it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe please, because the more subscribers I get the better. I'm planning something rather big for 250 subscribers, so make sure to smash that subscribe button and we'll get to that eventually. So Hooton Levitt, I got a couple of comments about it. I didn't really expect a lot for it, to be honest, with it being so small, but it seemed people were quite invested in the idea of pointing me in the direction of information I wouldn't know on this one. Let's start with Copper Beech Crescent. Now, Copper Beech Crescent is called Copper Beech Crescent for a reason. In the garden of number 3, this is according to, I think her name is Kate, yep, Kate Varney. In the garden of number 3, there is a tree, a copper beech tree, and it used to be part of Hooton Hall, which of course we didn't see because Hooton Hall is no longer there. But the tree still stands, and there's a nice little story from Kate here. We'll just find it. It used to drop 9 bin bags of leaves a day in the autumn, and as a kid it was her and her sister's job to pick them up every day. They say they would have happily cut it down. These days it's preserved by the National Trust because of its link to the hall. And a guy called Kevin has actually sent me a nice image, which I'll put in the video somewhere here. It'll be in the video, which shows the modern day Hooton Levitt as it is now, and the old what the map used to look like when the hall was there. So hopefully you'll see from this map side by side, you'll see where it was and where it and what's there now. I got a couple of people saying things about how Hooton Levitt used to be their home at one point, and then they moved away. Personally, I would have opted to stay there. It's a nice little peaceful place on a hill. I enjoyed walking around it. It was actually a really good place to visit, I thought, despite the fact there wasn't a lot going on. It was actually quite a nice little place to film. And understandably, most of the people that spoke to me about Hooton Levitt were from Maltby. I should just mention, because this is going to go up in the Maltby group I'm in, Maltby will be filmed this week. I'm going to be going to Maltby at some point, so if there's anybody out there who wants to give me any information about either Hooton Levitt or Maltby, feel free after watching this video, because I can always throw some more Hooton Levitt information into the Maltby video when I make it. And on that same subject, all you Maltby folk out there, I'm going to be introducing something new into my videos at some point. I don't know whether I'll do it this week or not, but certainly I'm going to be starting to get more sort of anecdotes and interviews from people like yourselves to put in the video. I've had one offer already for a video that's coming up at some point. So if you have anything that you want to send me, like a little snippet of information in a little video, or any pictures or anything you think that might be useful to put in every video that's coming up, or any video that's coming up, then please send them to me. But apart from that, that's just about it for Hooton Levitt. Tiny place on a hill, fields and farmland, bit of history, but not really much more to tell you about it. So that'll do us for today. Once again, do not forget to subscribe. There's a 250 subscriber special coming up soon, and I'll see you next time. I've been the Village Idiot, and I'm out.